This video has sent shockwaves around the world and will be a key piece of evidence in the fight against the detainment and deportation of Turkish-born Tufts University doctoral student Rumeysa Ozturk. Ozturk was detained Tuesday by masked, unidentified immigration and customs enforcement agents as she was walking near her home in Massachusetts. She was going to meet friends at an iftar dinner.
The community is really scared. I think all of us are scared, especially immigrants, regardless of status.
On Friday, a Massachusetts federal judge blocked Ozturk's deportation until a ruling on her habeas corpus petition. The writ of habeas corpus is a fundamental legal tool used to protect against unlawful detention in the U.S. A statement from Ozturk's legal team indicates she has not been formally charged, and there's no evidence that she was engaged in any unlawful activities.
I was thinking that she was going to be released within the day, and they would realize that they made a mistake with her. Not that any of the other ICE captures were no mistakes, but in Rumeysa's case particularly, she has never been involved in such a thing.
The State Department on Friday refused to comment on the case, but the U.S. Secretary of State did a day earlier. Marco Rubio defended the arrest and the revocation of Ozturk's video.
If you apply for a visa to enter the United States and be a student, and you tell us that the reason why you're coming to the United States is not just because you want to write op-eds, but because you want to participate in movements that are involved in doing things like vandalizing universities, harassing students, taking over buildings, creating a ruckus, we're not going to give you a visa.
Ozturk's arrest has been condemned as an assault on free speech. Her family says she was detained following a campaign by a pro-Israeli website that blacklists pro-Palestinian students.
And, there's this pattern now, like we saw with Mahmoud Khalil. Apparently, Rumeysa and Mahmoud Khalil and these other students are foreign policy threats, and that they can just be, plucked out of our communities on a whim.
Ozturk's family says she never attended protests.
Free speech is not a crime!
The judge in Ozturk's case has proposed a deadline of April 1st to resolve the deportation dispute. Craig Boswell, TRT World, Washington.